Bruha muna tayo sa atong hair. Travel again. Airport. Ayan, bruha yung hair and outfit for today. Just arrived. Bruha ang hair niya. Try again. My connection, everyone. Sawadika, I'm back here. Nag-book tayo ng Grab. Kasi, ayan yung nails natin. Short muna kasi hindi naman ako mag-long nails. So, short. Short muna yung nails ni Madam. So, yun. See you later, everyone. Mag-book muna ako ng Grab. Ayan, malapit na tayo. Oh, diba? Just arrived. Hello everyone! I'm back! Bangkok! Yay! Continue my birthday trip. And this is our bed. Oh, see? The view. So nice. We are in Hilton Hotel. Oh, like that. And then, itur ko na kayo sa shower first. Ay, next to our bed. And then ayan, may pasalamin-salamin pa sila dito. Ang ganda. See yan, may pa-bathtub. And this is the bathroom. Ayan. So, yan ang ating pa-toilet. Ayan. So nice here. Amazing. And this is my outfit. And this. Ayan, my shoes. And, ayan. So, ito na yung view. Ayan yung shower. And then this room. O, labas ka dito. And then, may isa pang pinto doon sa main entrance. So, ito yung another pintuan. Door sa next bed. Kung ano ka, dito lang mabilis lang mag-CR. Yung mawiwi doon. So, yun. And, our TV. So, nice here. And then, may table pa sila. Yan. Ayan, may mga drinks ata dito. Paano ba ito buksan? Ayun. See? Free ba yan? Baka may bayad. O, ayan. Coffee. O, diba? And then, closet. O, diba? Closet. Oh, yung lagayan ng, ano yan, balls. Ayan po, yung mag-a-iron ako ng uniform. Ayan yung main door. So, yun. And that's it. Oh, I like this one, wood. No, wood yung, parang wood real or tiles na lang siya. Basta yun na yun. Okay, bye. Magtimpla ko ng coffee. Magtimpla tayo ng coffee. Ayan, dito sa yung timplahan ng coffee dito. So, yun. Ay, ang nice, no? Ayun, oh, makikita mo siya sa salamin po siya. Ayan, salamin. Salamin. So, nice. Nice dito. Ayan, yung pa-room tour natin, everyone. Here in Hilton, Bangkok! And bye! User. The user of this vlog. Ito po yung aura natin for today. See? Ayan. Welcome to my vlog. Oh, so nice.
Fitness tool number 7.
Ayun, so nice. Hi. And my outfit check and my crown.
Executive launch.
It's my birthday trip, so I wear like
At
this.
launch platform.
It's my birthday, everyone.
Conservatory.
It's my birthday trip, so elevator nila dito. Ganito yung elevator nila. So nice, the lights. Blooming po tayo, everyone. Blooming si Madam. Going out. It's going out. Nice. See, nice. You want to take taxi? Ayan, init. It's too hot. Mainit, it's too hot. Ayan, going out. Ayan po sa likod. Outside. Ay, outside. Ayan. Going out. Maglakad lang tayo. Ipakita ko yung view sa Bangkok. Ayan, sa Bangkok tayo ha. Bangkok. Ayan. Mainit.
You have also small money, yeah?
Oh, I have. You cannot cross the road, oy. It's scary. Bangkok. Ayun, papunta kami doon sa kapit. Ay!
That's cross.
Uy!
Wait.
Nakatawid na tayo, guys. Katakot yun ha. Nagtawid kami dyan sa kalsada. Kasi katapat lang. View natin, everyone. Ayan po yung hotel namin. Yan. So nice. Ayun. Ayun yung tuktok. Ayun. So nice. Bangkok. Ayan, Bangkok. Bangkok. Nandito tayo sa we're going to terminal. Ayan, may airport today. Ayan na, Bangkok. Terminal 21, everyone. We're going up another restaurant. Ayan po aura ni Madam. Ayan po yung aura niya. For today video. Aura for today. Oh, fresh. Oh, fresh coconut. Oh, fresh po siya, everyone. Ayan po yung pad thai. Nami-miss po namin ito.
Wow.
So yummy. And this is the mango salad. Oh, diba? And may coconut. Na-murder na siya. Pero masarap siya. Pad thai. Malapit na maubos. Let's eat.
That is the big fish.
Ayan yung fish namin. Oh, so big. Food natin, everyone. No rice. Oh, yeah. Let's eat. Yan. Parang isaw-saw natin dito. Kasi maalat po siya, maalat. Ayan. Walang rice ha. Diet. Ganito po yung food sa Thailand.
good fish, huh?
Everyone, ayan po yung hotel natin. Dito po tayo sa Terminal 21. Ayan po ang view. O diba? Nice. Nag-CR muna tayo. Nice yung view niya. Hello, the view. Swimming pool, and this is our view. Swimming pool tayo, check. Ang maganda ba? Maganda yung lights, ang ganda. Ay, too small. Okay. Ay. Ayan po yung swimming pool. Maliit lang pala siya. Oh, gym, everyone, check, check. Ayan, gagala-gala na naman sila. Hanap ako ng rooftop. Dito lang pala siya. Malapit sa aming hotel. Ay, walang view sa aming hotel. Mga kapitbahay po tayo. Rooftop. Ayan, may pool sa baba. Punta tayo doon. Ayan, may paano pa sila dito. Ambience view. Ayan. Ay, wow, so nice. Ayan, so nice the view. With my cup. O, diba? Ayan, walang rooftop view sa aming hotel. Dito ay may rooftop view. Uy, God, look. Diba yung katakot? Katakot po, nag-uyog-uyog yung building. Kapahangin po siya. Pero takot guys, mahangin. Kaya moon, nice moon. Sa rooftop tayo. Scary. Ayan. I'm scared here. Nasa rooftop sa taas. Matakotin pa naman ako. Ang takotin. Ayun. God, look. Ayan. May rooftop success. In one night in Bangkok. Ayan. May rooftop. With a swimming pool. Ayan, may ano doon. Oh, ito pala yung ano. Nice view here, everyone. You just try. With a view. Oh, diba? We have the rooftop view. Next to our hotel. Nice here. And this is our view here. Another night. Ayan yung center point. Maganda po siya. Ayan yung pizza. Kakain po tayo sa pizza. Ayan, maganda po dito everyone. Nice yung place. Ayan. Ayan yung favorite namin, no? Center point. Fully book po siya, kaya hindi kami nakabook. So, yon. Okay na, everyone. Bye. Pizza dito, everyone. Masarap siya. Okay. For the night dinner. Yeah, good morning. Breakfast time. Good morning. And this is my outfit for today. Also nice. Diba? So nice. Nice, the lights.
Where they say breakfast.
Nice yung lights, everyone.
Where is it?
Na breakfast area. So, yon. Everyone, good morning, good morning. So, yon. We are here. Oh, maraming bitong school. I want to try one. Ayan po yung lobby ng hotel. Ayan, nandito yung yogurt. Ayun, nakababad na siya. Daming fruits. Ay, may sabaw. Chicken. po siya. Ito, barley. Barley po siya, everyone. This is the barley. I mix it. Ayun, masarap yung salad dito, everyone. May dalawa pa dito. Kunin natin. Ito yung breakfast na nga dito. Yeah. This is the breakfast area in Hilton Hotel. Ayan po yung eggs. This is the view. Hi, pancake. Ayan, the pancake. Favorite. And then honey. O, diba? Cute yung... Ay! Sorry. Cute yung lagayan ko. And this is my food, everyone. Ayan. Let's eat. Let's eat. Back of my birthday treat. Carrots. Yung my food. And then where we go. Beauty shower. Good morning, everyone. This is my bed. So nice. Parang ayoko lang umuwi. So nice yung bed. So yun. Okay, matulog ulit ako. Bye.